Have you ever looked at your spending and wondered, where does all my money go? I used to ask myself that very same question all the time, but then I realized something really important. It wasn't about making more money, it was about making smarter decisions with the money I already had. That's when I started making strategic purchases that completely transformed my relationship with money. These weren't about spending more, but about spending smarter for long-term financial success. In this video, I'm revealing the top 10 purchases that revolutionized my finances, and I have a feeling they can do the same for you. From everyday essentials to powerful financial tools, these items have been game changers for me, and I can't wait to share them with you. Are you ready to unlock a world of financial empowerment through some seriously smart purchases? Let's get started. Number 1, budgeting app. You know, for the longest time I was clueless about where my money was going. It felt like it was just vanishing into thin air. Sound familiar? Then I discovered the power of budgeting apps. The app I use automatically tracks all my transactions and categorizes them so I can see exactly where every dollar is going. Every coffee, every subscription, every impulse buy. It's like having a personal finance assistant in my pocket. The best part is it allows me to set budgets for different categories and sends me alerts when I'm getting close to my limits. No more overspending on takeout because I can actually see how much I've already spent. Instead of wondering where your money went, you get to decide exactly where it goes. Trust me, a budgeting app is like having a financial GPS, guiding you towards a brighter financial future. Number 2, high-interest savings account. For years, my money just sat in a traditional savings account, barely earning any interest. Then I discovered the wonderful world of high-yield savings accounts. High-yield savings accounts offer significantly higher interest rates compared to traditional savings accounts. This means your money is actually working for you, earning more interest and growing faster over time. The difference in interest earned might seem small at first, but trust me, the power of compounding is real. Over time, that extra interest adds up, helping your savings snowball into something substantial. It's a simple switch that can make a huge impact on your financial future, allowing your money to grow passively while you focus on other things. So if you're tired of your money snoozing in a low-interest account, it's time to give it a wake-up call. Open a high-yield savings account and watch your savings flourish. Number 3, financial books. I've always been a firm believer that knowledge is power, especially when it comes to personal finance. I thought I knew it all. How hard could managing money be, right? Well, I was in for a rude awakening. That's when I decided to invest in myself by diving into the world of financial books. I remember picking up my first personal finance book and being completely blown away. It opened my eyes to a whole new world of financial strategies, investing principles, and money management techniques. Each book I read challenged my assumptions, expanded my knowledge, and empowered me to make smarter financial decisions. From understanding different investment vehicles to learning about the psychology of money, financial books have been my secret weapon in navigating the complex world of finance. The best part is there's a financial book out there for everyone, regardless of your financial background or goals. So if you're serious about taking your financial literacy to the next level, I highly recommend investing in financial books. Number 4, reusable water bottle. This one might seem small, but trust me, it adds up. I used to be the king of buying bottled water. I'd grab one on my way to work after the gym, basically anytime I was thirsty. It seemed harmless enough, right? Wrong. Those little expenses were draining my bank account without me even realizing it. That's when I decided to make a simple change. I invested in a reusable water bottle. The average price of a bottle of water is around $1.50. Let's say you were buying just one bottle a day. That's over $500 a year, just on water. By switching to a reusable water bottle, you're essentially cutting out that unnecessary expense entirely. But it's not just about the financial savings, it's also about being environmentally conscious. So, ditch the disposable plastic bottles and invest in a reusable water bottle. Your wallet and the planet will thank you. Number 5, coffee maker. Okay, coffee lovers, this one's for you. I used to be a slave to those expensive coffee shop lattes. We're talking $5, sometimes even $7 a pop. Enter the home coffee maker, my financial savior. Now I can brew my own delicious coffee at home for a fraction of the cost. We're talking pennies per cup compared to dollars. Number 6, public transportation pass. Living in a big city, transportation costs can really add up. Ride-sharing services and taxis were convenient but expensive. Public transportation has been a game changer. A monthly pass saves a ton of money. Many cities offer discounts, making it even more affordable. It reduces traffic and carbon emissions. Ditch ride-sharing apps and hop on public transportation. Number 7, index funds. For a long time, the world of investing seemed intimidating and out of reach. I thought it was only for Wall Street hotshots or financial gurus, not for someone like me. But then I discovered the power of index funds, and my perspective on investing completely changed. Index funds are like the superheroes of the investing world. They make investing accessible, affordable, and surprisingly simple. An index fund is like a basket of stocks that tracks a specific market index, such as the S&P 500. This diversification spreads your risk across hundreds of stocks, reducing the impact of any single company's performance on your overall portfolio. So if you're looking for a hassle-free and effective way to grow your wealth over time, index funds are your secret weapon. They're the perfect investment vehicle for beginners and seasoned investors alike. Number 8, meal prep containers. Let's be honest, eating out is convenient, but it can wreak havoc on your budget. I used to be the king of takeout, ordering lunch at work and grabbing dinner on the go. But those frequent restaurant meals were draining my bank account faster than I could say extra guac. That's when I discovered the life-changing magic of meal prepping. And let me tell you, it's been a game changer for my wallet and my waistline. Investing in a set of quality meal prep containers has been instrumental in my meal prepping journey. These containers are like my secret weapon for portion control, food storage, and convenient meal transportation. By prepping my meals in advance, I've significantly reduced my dining out expenses. No more impulse purchases or last-minute takeout temptations. So if you're tired of those expensive takeout bills and want to take control of your nutrition and your finances, invest in a set of meal prep containers and join the meal prepping revolution. Number 9, cashback credit card. I used to be terrified of credit cards. I'd heard all the horror stories about debt and high interest rates, so I stuck to my debit card like glue. But then I discovered the world of cashback credit cards and realized that credit cards, when used responsibly, can actually be powerful financial tools. Cashback credit cards offer a percentage of your purchases back in the form of cash rewards, statement credits, or travel points. It's like getting a mini discount on everything you buy. Imagine earning 1 to 2% cash back on all your groceries, gas, and online purchases. But the key to using cashback credit cards effectively is to treat them like debit cards. Only spend money you have and pay off your balance in full and on time every month to avoid interest charges. So if you're not utilizing the power of cashback credit cards, you're leaving free money on the table. Just remember to use them responsibly and watch your rewards pile up. And finally, number 10, home gym equipment. I used to be a gym rat, shelling out a hefty chunk of change each month for a gym membership. But then I realized that the most expensive gym equipment is the one you don't use. I decided to take matters into my own hands and invest in some basic home gym equipment. Now I have my own personal fitness sanctuary right in the comfort of my own home. No more crowded gyms, expensive membership fees, or commute time. I can work out whenever I want, however I want, without judgment or distractions. Plus, it's been a huge motivator to stay consistent with my fitness routine. Regular exercise has countless physical and mental benefits, boosting my energy levels, improving my mood, and reducing stress. So ditch the expensive gym memberships and create your own home gym. You'll be amazed at how much you can save while achieving your fitness goals. And there you have it, my friends. Those are the 10 purchases that completely transformed my financial life. From automating my savings and investing to making healthier choices and even brewing my own coffee, these simple changes have had a ripple effect on my finances, my health, and my overall well-being. Remember, it's not about spending less, it's about spending smarter. By making conscious choices that align with your financial goals, you can achieve financial freedom and live a more fulfilling life. Now I want to hear from you. What are some of the best purchases you've made that have positively impacted your finances? Share your tips and experiences in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more personal finance tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best investment you can make is in yourself. Have a wonderful day.